Hey everybody, it's Andy. At my place of employment, every 5 years of working there, they give you a sabbatical, which is basically an extra month of vacation. It's a really nice perk, and the last time I took one of these, I filmed a video on how I packed for my honeymoon. Now, after 10 years at the company, I'm on for another one of these big sabbatical trips, and I figured I'd do an updated packing video on what I'll be taking with me for a month of travel to Australia, Singapore, and Japan. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below with anything you think I should do differently, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Without further ado, let's get into what I've got. If you saw my previous video, a lot of what I'm taking is going to seem similar, but I've been traveling and modifying this kit a little bit over the past 3 years. The backpack that I'll be taking as my one bag is going to be the Peak Design Travel Backpack. This is the same one I took last time. It's the 45-liter model. It expands up using these expansion zippers. And overall, I have found that this is just the most comfortable large-size backpack I own. The hip belts work well for me. And overall, while it does appear big, it definitely doesn't feel as heavy as a bunch of other bags that I've tried on my shoulders. Looking at what I've got on the outside of the bag, over here is my water bottle. It is a Camelback mag chute. This is the insulated 25-ounce version in a nice blue color. I like the blue. And over here on the other side of the bag, I have a hero clip. This is just, I found that I can hang the bag up with this, and it has been useful a non-zero number of times, so I keep it with me. Also, over here in the side pocket, I have a quick snack, an Ovu bar. Looking over in the front of the bag here, the quick access pocket, I don't have too much. Basically, I have my Apple AirPods Pro. These are noise canceling, very nice on a long flight. And I have some of these sanitizing wipes that I got from the airline. I'll probably use those on this trip. Looking farther into this pocket, we're going to come over to bag number 2. The big bag is nice for traveling with only one thing, but as a day pack, I still use my Tom Bin Synapse 19. This is another one of the most comfortable bags I have. It's small enough that I'm able to fit it in the front pocket of the Peak Design, and if I need to go 2-bag, I can stick it on the front without any trouble over here. Overall, this I've had for many years, and I still love to use it. Looking over in the top of the bag here, this is my interior large access pocket. I have the glasses case for these Ray-Ban Metas. I really like the Ray-Ban Metas because there are some times when traveling when I want to take a photo, but I don't want to take a photo enough that I pull my phone out. Like maybe I walk by a pastry shop and it has some good looking pastries. It's so easy to just hit the button, get that shot. Also, it's nice to have them as a microphone when filming videos like these. In here, I just have my normal glasses for when these are charging. Also in this pocket, I have my primary battery. It's the Anchor, the one that has the plug-in, and you can use it either as a 65-watt charger or as a battery overall. It's a nice compact thing. And in here, I just have USB-C and a lightning cable. Finally, in this pocket, I have a pen, just in case you need a pen to fill out some documents. And I have this Bellroy passport cover that my wife got me. I got just some cards at the bottom and the passport up top. And this has been just really nice to have. And so I keep the quick access for the passport right here. And I always know if it's in this mesh pocket, I know where to find it. Looking farther in, down here, I have this is a Tom Bin passport holder, and in here I have a photo of my passport and my wife's passport as a backup, just in case something happens to my main one. It's often recommended to travel with a copy of the documents for safety. Let's take a look now into the main compartment of the bag. So over here, we'll start at the laptop pocket. I have my Apple iPad Air. It's This is going to be my primary computer beyond the phone. If I need to do anything, it's a larger screen. I have some entertainment that I can watch here on flights or on train rides, and it fits neatly in here without too much work. Looking more into the clamshell, right up top here, I have my toiletry kit. This is the Travelon 311. It has a wet section and a dry section. Over here I have electric toothbrush, charger, pills, floss, nail clippers, all that stuff. And on the wet side, I have some sunscreen, some lotion, deodorant, toothpaste. All of that stuff fits easily in here. I have a hat. This was given to me by my in-laws. It is a Piranha bucket hat. Normally, I would be wearing a Mountain Hardwear one, but because I'm going to be doing a lot of going on the water and stuff during this trip, having a little string to tie it down seemed like something useful. So I figured this would be the one to go with. I use a night guard, so I have a case for that. And I have over here a case for my backup watch. This is just going to be a G-Shock that I'll be taking in case I'm somewhere where I don't want to wear the mechanical watch. This here is a Gavox Longitude. It is a Traveler's GMT, and I got it at a good price, and I like it. So it's going to be what I wear primarily during this trip. Over here on the side, I have a little, this is a Bellroy bag. It came with another one of their bags. I forget if there was an accessory in it or something, but I am holding these Columbia sandals. We're going to be on the beach on the water, and I don't want to use my normal shoes in those scenarios. So those just stuffed over there on the side. And also, because we're going to be in Singapore, which is known for its rain, I have a rain jacket. This is a Mountain Hardwear rain shell. And overall, I have found that this was a more expensive purchase than I was expecting for a rain shell. But since getting it, I've really enjoyed having it. So definitely taking this on the trip. Finally, I have my boogie bag over here and my packing cubes. The boogie bag, if you remember, is where I put everything that doesn't fit in the above. So it's kind of a miscellaneous grab bag. I got this nifty thing from my brother-in-law. It's like a headband that has speakers in the side. So if I'm trying to sleep on the plane, I'll be able to put it on and I can like lean my head against something and it won't be too big of a problem. This has been pretty fun to have. I've used this on a few flights. I have a little pouch where I keep an eye mask for sleeping. I just put it in the pouch because it keeps it a little cleaner. Another little pouch where I have my Bose wired noise cancellation headphones. On the longer trips, on the flights, I think the wireless headphones I don't really trust to keep their battery. So having something that I can plug in like this has been very helpful. And then some other things that are nice are the Road Warrior travel power adapter. This has been very, converting everywhere I've gone, it's been fine. And I like that one. I have my other power brick. This is sometimes I want to have things charging at the hotel while I'm walking about with that battery. So I will use this Anchor power brick. And then on top of this, I have my little cable pouch where I have a few Anchor cables as well. I don't think I need to go into specific cables here, but they all fit in the pouch. They all fit in the boogie bag. And that has been really nice for me to have. And the last thing is, over at the front, I have a Tom Bin pouchkin with my pills. Let's set the boogie bag aside and get into the clothing. Over here, I have two Peak Design packing cubes, the small and the medium. In the small packing cube, I have underwear and socks. You don't need to see my underwear, but it's the Fruit of the Loom cotton boxer briefs. They've been working very well for me over the years. And I have here just some Wilson crew socks. And finally, I have a swimsuit because water and beaches like swimsuits. So those are all in the small packing cube. I have enough of this to last me way more than I need, given that we'll be doing laundry. In the medium-sized packing cube, let me set this aside. We have all the clothing that I'll be taking, except for what I'm wearing now. First, we have a hoodie. This is the Carryology Unbound Merino super dark black travel hoodie. The the Berserker one. I found that this has been actually a really nice travel hoodie. And besides the rain shell, this is going to be my only other upper layer. So if I'm layering, it's going to be bottom layer, this hoodie, and then the rain shell. None of the forecasts have anything below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so I think that should be sufficient. Uh, the other clothing that I have some nice Mountain Hardwear, just, you know, outdoor collared shirts, the kind that have the nice, like, breathable outside material. So hopefully wandering around all day will be just fine. I have Piranha Stretch Zion shorts and Piranha Stretch Zion pants, and then the same pants I'm wearing now. So these 2 pairs of long pants and 1 pair of shorts are going to be what will last me, and then a pair of just flannel pajama pants. Finally, I have a t-shirt. This is just a cotton t-shirt. I have a merino wool t-shirt. This is a Topo Designs one that I got on one of their sales ages ago. And then I have the Western Rise button-up, which I get to wear if there are any nice occasions. Looking forward to hopefully having a few nice meals while I'm out. And there you have it. This is everything I'm going to be taking with me for a month abroad. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button on YouTube, leave a comment below with anything you think I missed, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Thank you all again so much for watching, and have a good day.